Today I'm going to tell you about one more hidden feature in the Media NAV. So you have to access that by using the MICOM. So for that, first of all, what you have to do is you just copy the files which I had given in the description into a formatted pen drive, and then insert the pen drive. After that, it will show as a reading USB and no files in the media. So you just press OK, and after that you go to the settings, and in the settings you go to the system, and after that system version. So now you follow the points which I have pressed: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will ask for the test code. So for my version I am entering this test code, and I will be giving all the test codes for different versions in the description. You can follow that. So for my version it is 2383, and then press OK, and then back 4 times, and then 3748. Press it OK. So now the system will enter into the MICOM test mode. So you just press this MICOM test mode. So after that you can see here Bose. So you can switch it on the Bose mode. So in this mode, what it will give is it will enhance the audio to the external speakers which you are going to add in your Quid or Dash or whatever it may be. So the sound quality will be very smooth, and it is configured for the Bose speakers. But you can use any speakers, but the sound quality will enhance. So after switching on the Bose mode, you have to press this one, DSI config, for saving that. And after saving that, you just press the power B. It will go into the back, and again you can press the power key, it will go into the back. And now switch it on, and within a minute or two the system will restart. You can see that also. Like this. After the restart, the sound quality of the system will enhance. You can feel the sound quality by using the by playing the same songs earlier and after enhancing the speakers into the Bose mode.